Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today in this video I'm just going to show how to see or how to add the favorites on your Instagram. Your friends with as your favorites on your Instagram, and this is so useful on a lot of manner. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to add the favorites on your Instagram, first of all you just need to click on the three dot option on the top to add your friend as favorites. You will see an option on the downside called favorites. Just click on the star symbol. Now here you can see the list of favorites and you can just add or remove from the list. You can see all the favorite can be removed directly using this. You can just search your friend name and or page name. Just click on this add option. Just search on the favorites list. Just click on the search option. Then search the name of the page or your friend and click on the add option, which will be add to your favorites. So these have a lot of option. While you sharing the story, you can make it to the close friends, and also in the first page of your thing here you can just see the favorites feed directly. This is so useful and it's more easy to make your favorite one post directly. You can just see by using this option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content.